local authority has issued civil danger warning for the following counties or areas. Moffat, Colorado, at 10:07 p.m. on May 1st, 2023, effective until 11:07 p.m. Police activity in the area. Reg Police Department in area looking for male party armed with a knife that is not in a stable mental condition at this time. Male party wearing blue jeans, long sleeve shirt, 6FT 220 LVS, long black hair to shoulder blades. Reg PD advises to shelter in place, and if male party is spotted, please do not approach and contact 911. Keep doors locked and outside lights on.